click on this section box and drag it down. So that way everything else is more visible. You can keep the height to whatever you want to. It is completely your choice. You just have to make sure that all of the elements are visible from your 3D floor plan, like your doors, your windows, your other elements. Everything has to be visible. So according to that, just drag it down. All right. So this looks good. I will just hide this section box. Just click, right click, hide in view, elements. So all of these elements that we have just hit, you can, if you want to see them, you can go and press on this reveal hidden elements, and that will show you all the levels and the section box and everything. You can select whichever element you want to unhide and just press on this, and that will come back in your original model. So yeah. Now you just want to add some sun shading to your model. So for that, go to your graphic display and graphic display options. Over here, the style is at realistic. Go to shadows, cast shadows, apply. So this casts all the shadows. Your sun settings will be at typical. You can change them. Let me show you how to change the sun settings. Here, sun path on. You can either specify your location, date, time, or you can just go ahead with whatever current setting is available. Go to sun setting. Here, you can change it to anything you want. Like, you have so many options. You can also position the sun. You have the date, you have the time, and you have the sun position. You can just click on this, you can drag, and you can just move it around as per your choice. So that's just it. Once you're done with that, just sun path off. So this particular thing goes off. Also, I forgot to add a carpet over here. So let me just simply show you how to model a simple model in place. Go to architecture, go to component, model in place. I will be modeling a carpet. So select casework and name it as carpet. Okay. So here we will be creating an extrusion. So select extrusion, go to set, go to set and pick a plane, press OK and just pick this living room floor. So the carpet will be placed on that. So select a rectangle, go to a top view and let's model the outline of our carpet. Press OK. As you can see, the thickness is too much. That is the extrusion end. Let's go ahead and change that to 0.05 inches, which is like really small thickness. Okay, now let's just assign the material to the carpet. Go to material finishes, create a new material. Let's name it carpet. Go to asset browser. Under appearance, you have fabric, and under this, you have various options to choose from. There is another option. Just click on the link that is right below the picture. So this is all the materials mats. This is preloaded. So here also you have various options to choose from. So from this, I'm just gonna pick something for the carpet. As you can see, we have like tons of options over here. So I'll be picking this one. Let's just change the scale. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so that looks good and finish model. If you want to make any changes to the carpet right here that you have modeled in place, you cannot just start editing it by clicking on it. Like you can't just select the carpet and you can't just edit anything over here and under the properties like you do for the other families. You have to go to edit in place. select this and then edit it over here. Also, finally, for the balcony, let's add a couple of plants. All right, so that is done. If you want to, okay, so that is done. Now let's go ahead and render this one and see what it looks like finally. Um, okay, just keep it properly the way you want the render image to be like. Once you're done, go to view, go to render, and under this, select region. So this is your outline. Here you can go ahead and pick your outline.